A working video. This actually works, guys, so keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys. So this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a 2025 method to get unlimited TikTok followers for free. So this app you see on my phone is actually not the normal TikTok, it's a modded version which I'm going to show you guys how to download. So when we open it up and we go over to our profile, I'm going to go onto the settings, and then down at the bottom, since we're in the mod, there's this weird thing called sponsor credit mode. And when you press this button, guys, it's going to say choose how you'd like to grow. And one of the options is sponsor credit. So when you press this, it says you'll be exposed and you'll get up to 1,000 followers. So it's really simple. So you just have to wait now for this console thing to load. So I'm just going to let it do its thing here, as you can see. And then we should have the unlimited free TikTok followers. So let's see if it worked, and it says you're all set. So here's my follower count. Oh my gosh, it already went up. I'm at 392, 399. Oh, that's insane. 408, bro. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your device so you can actually get free TikTok followers right now. So it's actually really easy to download this. All you have to do, in my opinion, is go over to matrixmods.com. I'm almost 100% positive this is the website. So in the search bar, guys, go up here and just put TikTok. I'll be really sad if it's not, but okay, so it's actually going to be the tweakmod.com. Sorry about that, but I mistaken it. They have a TikTok coin mod on that other site, but anyway, guys, there it is, TikTok. This one says coins, but it's followers. So press install. Before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. And this will get you the mod, guys. And no one can stop you. No one can take it away. You're going to have free TikTok followers. That is super cool. So let's just wait for this to load here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the last step. Now, there is this little symbol right here for iPhone and Android, so as long as you see that on any of the apps on TweakMod, you will know that it works on both iOS and Android. So there we go, guys. We are being taken to the next step, which is the verification. So literally, just download 2 of these apps. They don't have to be the same as me, but you can see they all have different rules. Like Family Island says reach level 10. Lucky Match is also, this one's a reach level 11. Scanner app, you gotta search something up and then install it. So it's really easy. So I'll see you later. But yeah, peace out, bro.